Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a catamill sway. It's really useful if you already know how to do a catamill. It's really useful if you know how to do a sway. It's probably a pretty good idea actually that you also know how to do a lasso sway. So I'll put links to all of that in the description below. So if you want to find it, it's easy and quick for you to do so. Jumping in, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3. Obviously the hand change at the end is completely optional. So if we start off man's right, ladies right, it begins exactly like a normal catamill. So we go back 1, we sweep the lady through 2, we get to the lean 3, we're going to do the hand change. As we bring the lady back through, it's looking similar to begin with. And then instead of the guy going past the lady, he starts to track with the lady. The hand gets switched into the right, and then we take it down and around. So this actually feels a lot like the wrap into a lasso sway. So it goes down, get onto the far hip, preferably with the lady's hand flat and tucked, as opposed to being bent at the wrist. Pick up the spare hand or not, depending upon what you want to do with your sway, and then it's just sway the lady back, sway the lady forward, send the lady away, switch hands if you want to, return and back. So we'll do the same thing from this angle and talk numbers. So we go back 1, sweep 2, lean 3, unsweep 4, wrapping 5, sway the lady back 6, forward 7, away 8, switch hands 1, return 2, and back 3. And that's that. That's the catamill sway. Hope you enjoyed that. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel, and notifications will mean you get told every time a new video comes out, providing they're turned on. Music recommendation on the end, windows that come up in the last few seconds, one of those will be a music video, and it will be something suitable to practice to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.